Pair a wireless switch with a connected installation. You have already installed the gateway power outlet in the starter pack for connected installation, the connected wired products, and you have finished the configuration. You're now going to add wireless switches to control the following wired products: connected light switches, connected lighting micromodules, connected power outlets. With a wireless light and electrical appliance switch, you can control lights connected to the wired products at the same time, or one by one with additional wireless switches. Wireless light switches can be placed wherever you want and can be repositioned as the need arises. Move close to the connected gateway power outlet and press the middle of the home away wireless master switch. Hold down until the master switch LED lights up green. Release. The home away wireless master switch LED goes off. The connected gateway power outlet LED lights up green. The network is open. The LEDs on the installed wired products light up green. Now prepare the wireless light switch. Remove the protection tab from the battery. Briefly press the button of the switch button. The LED flashes green, then goes off. You are now going to pair the wireless light switch with the wired products. Press and hold down the middle of the switch. Tap 3 times on the product you wish to control, such as the micromodule for example. The LEDs on both products flash quickly blue, then light up briefly steady blue. The micromodule LED changes to green. They have been paired successfully. Repeat the operation for all the products you wish to control with the wireless light switch, the connected light switches and connected power outlets. Once all the products have been paired, finish the operation by pressing once briefly in the middle of the home away wireless master switch. The LED flashes 3 times and then goes off. The LEDs on the wired products go off. Wait for about a minute, then check that they're working properly. Press the bottom of the wireless light switch. The lights connected to the wired products come on. Press the top, they go off. If this does not happen, repeat the pairing operation. Place the stickers provided on the back of the wireless light switch. Before attaching it to the wall, we recommend that you test an area of the wall that is not visible. Clip on the faceplate provided and those on the other products in the installation. You can then name the rooms, lights and lamps and configure scenarios after downloading and installing the Home Plus Control app. All products are available in Velena Life and Velena Allure finishes.